FENECO air source heat pump North Star second generation casing adopts electrostatic powder spraying technology, which has good corrosion resistance. The design of the side panel flowing shape symbolizes the interruption of water flow, reflecting the core function of the product to continuously provide comfortable heating and domestic hot water 24 hours a day, while also giving dynamic beauty. The Chinese domestic sales model adopts a Polaris cinnabar red top cover and a rock white box body, which is elegant and very in line with the aesthetic of Chinese consumers.